Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how to divide complex numbers using Scientific Calculator Casio fx-991CW. So first of all, press Mode key, then for complex number, press 2, then press Shift key, and here on 2 it's written complex, so press 2. Then select the fourth option, a plus b iota for complex number. Move this cursor to the beginning by pressing the left arrow key and type the first complex number in brackets, for example 3 plus 2 iota. Close the bracket, divide it by, enter the second complex number, for example 2 minus 2 iota. Press equal sign and it's equal to 1 by 4 plus 5 by 4 iota. I hope you find this helpful. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe this channel.